Welcome back to another episode of Uncommon Careers. Now, today's episode is about how to put your money to work instead of going to a job, working for your money. Now, we're going to be talking about a few ways how you can do this. So, the first way is with compound interest. Now, if you haven't heard of compound interest, it's basically when you put your money into something that has a higher interest, you keep reinvesting into it, and the money keeps growing because of the interest rates. And so say if it's 10%, $100 at 10% is 110. Now the next 10% is 110 at 10%. So it keeps growing that way. That's one way, it's compound interest. Another thing to do is put your money into something that actually is making money for you. So one example, real estate. Yes, it may be an upfront cost. In some places you may not even have to pay upfront, but either way, real estate. And I'm talking about rental properties. If you get a rental property, and basically your tenants are going to be paying for, if you have a loan on it, paying for the mortgage, or if you don't have a loan, you've already paid it off. Basically, you're collecting this check every single month from basically an investment that you had made a long time ago. So that's another way. And I guess the last way we'll talk about is using your money to put into something that you keep growing over time, and eventually you can sell. So several examples, but one could be a business. You could buy a business or start a business. You're not pulling money out of it and sucking the business dry and then you go bankrupt. You are taking that money, reinvesting, growing the business. Now the value of the business grows. So at one point of time or later down the road, you can sell that business and you've basically multiplied the money you put into it. This can also be several other things, but one other way is, say, some kind of digital space, like an app or a website. You buy you buy an app. The app has traffic now, maybe makes a little bit of money, but you put some money into it. You make this app, instead of say $1,000 a month, which it was making when you purchased it, now it's making $3,000-$4,000 a month. You could sell that app for a lot more because it is now more valuable. So guys, just to wrap it up, these are just a few ways how you can take your money and basically make your money work for you instead of just working. Hey, I made some money, working, and you just keep that cycle going. This is 2021. I mean, you got to think different. We can't just continue in the same rat race. You have to be able to do what wealthy people do, which is basically make their money employees. Send the money out, it comes back to you with friends. Guys, that's it. I hope you gained something from this. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. All right, thanks, guys.